Hello students, welcome back to a new session. We are continuing lesson number 9, algebraic expressions and identities. In the previous video, I had explained how to find the product of a monomial with a monomial. Today we are going to learn how to multiply a monomial by a binomial. We know what is a binomial. What is a binomial? A polynomial having two terms is called a binomial. So I will explain through example. See example. Multiply 3x and 5y plus 2. So 3x is a monomial, 5y plus 2 is a binomial. We have to find the product of these two. So let us multiply. So 3x multiplied by, here capital X is standing for multiplication symbol. So we have to put the binomial in the bracket because two terms are there, monomial 3x outside multiplied by, then in the bracket binomial 5y plus 2 equal to, as we have learned, distributive property in lower classes, the same is used here. That is, which term is outside? 3x. So first 3x we have to multiply with 5y. So I have written in symbol bracket 3x multiplied by 5y. That is, which monomial is outside? With that first term in the bracket first multiply, then second term in the bracket we have to multiply one by one. So 3x multiplied by 5y in the first bracket plus, here plus sign is given, so we have written plus sign here. Then another symbol bracket 3x multiplied by 2. That is just a distributive property like that. Which term is outside? With that term we have to multiply both the terms inside the bracket one by one in the order. So now simplifying, see what is the answer going to get? 3x multiplied by 5y. We learned yesterday how to find the product of two monomials. So here very simple, we can write the answer directly. So first we have to multiply the coefficients. So 3 5s are 15. X multiplied by y will become xy. So it is 15xy plus, here plus sign is given, so I have put plus. Then second part multiplying, 3 2s are 6 and only 1x is there, so 6x. So the answer is 15xy plus 6x. I have underlined the answer. Now we will go to another example. See, multiply 5xy and y square minus 3. Here first one 5xy is a monomial and the second polynomial y square minus 3 is a binomial. Now let us multiply them. So 5y multiplied by, then binomial we have written in bracket y square minus 3. Now what we have to do? With the monomial, first we have to multiply first term in the bracket, then we have to multiply second term in the bracket. So I have written each term in symbol bracket. So symbol bracket starting 5xy multiplied by first term y square. Here middle minus sign is given, so I have put here minus sign. Now start in the second symbol bracket. Again 5xy we have to multiply with the second term 3. So second bracket 5xy multiplied by 3. Now simplifying, here coefficient is 5, then x also one time, y multiplied by y square will be y cube. So it is 5xy cube. Here minus sign is there, so put minus sign. Then second bracket 5 3s are 15, then xy. So it is 15xy. So the answer is 5xy cube minus 15xy. So underlining is together. I have underlined so that it is the answer. So one more example. See, example 3. Multiply 2a plus 6b and 4c. Here what is the difference? Here binomial is given first and monomial is given last. So let us start. Binomial I have written in bracket 2a plus 6b multiplied by 4c. We have learned commutative property for rational numbers. So we can apply that rule here. What is commutative property? A multiplied by b equal to b multiplied by a. We learned in rational number lesson also. So we are changing the order of the terms. So I have written in the next part, I have written it's equal to 4c multiplied by 2a plus 6b. That is, I have changed the order of the polynomial. Now we can multiply as we have done in the previous example. See, 4c, first we have to multiply with the first term 2a plus then 4c we have to multiply with the second term 6b. So in the first bracket 4c multiplied by 2a plus in the second bracket 4c multiplied by 6b. Now simplifying, 4 2s are 8, c multiplied by ac. If you write ca also, there is no problem, you will get the mark, but it is better to write in the alphabetical order. So first term is 8ac, plus sign is given, so plus, then 4 6 are 24, c into b will be bc. So final answer is 8ac plus 24bc. Now go to next type, that is multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. First part we learned monomial by monomial. Second part we learned monomial by binomial. Now the third part we are going to learn how to multiply a monomial by a trinomial. I will explain through an example. See, example 4, multiply 3p and 4p square plus 5p plus 7. So 3p is the monomial and the second polynomial 4p square plus 5p plus 7 is a trinomial. As we have done in the previous example, we will do the same method using distributive property. There, instead of 2 terms, we have 3 terms. That is the only difference. Let us start. So 3p multiplied by, the trinomial is written in bracket, 4p square plus 5p plus 7. Now, as we have done in the previous way, which term is outside? Monomial 3p. So 3p, first we have to multiply first term 4p square, then we have to multiply with the second term 5p, then we have to multiply with the third term 7. So let us start. So first bracket 3p multiplied by 4p square, then plus sign is given, so put plus sign here. Then 3p multiplied by 5p, then again plus, so put plus, then 3p multiplied by third term 7. Okay, now we have to simplify. Here first multiply the coefficients. So 3 4s are 12. P multiplied by p square will be p cube plus second term 3 5s are 15. P into p will be p square plus third term 3 7s are 21 and p. So 21p. So answer is 12p cube plus 15p square plus 21p. From this, what you have learned, when we multiplied a monomial by monomial, we have got answer a monomial only. Now see the previous example here, example 3. We have multiplied a monomial by binomial, we have got 2 terms in the answer. Now third type you have learned, monomial multiplying with a trinomial. Now we have got 3 terms in this answer. You can see 3 terms in the answer. Now there are some more type of questions which are explained in your textbook. I am explaining here. See, simplify the expressions and evaluate as directed. So see example, x into x minus 3 plus 2, we have to evaluate for x equal to 1. So first of all, we have to simplify the given expression, and after simplification we have to substitute the value which is given. So how will you start? First, what is the expression? X into x minus 3 plus 2. So first part we have to simplify, x multiplied by x minus x multiplied by 3 as we are done in distributive property. Then plus 2, last term which is given in the question, we have to add plus 2. Now simplifying, x into x will become x square minus x into 3 will become 3x plus 2. So simplification is over. Now the value we have to evaluate for x equal to 1. So that is second part of the questions. I have written here For x equal to 1, write the given expression x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to, that is, after simplification, in the given expression, the value which is given in the question, we have to substitute and calculate. So let us substitute. So x square minus 3x plus 2. So wherever x is there, we have to substitute 1 for x. So is equal to x square means 1 square minus 3x means 3 into 1 plus 2. Now simplifying, 1 square is 1 only, minus 3 into 1, 3 plus 2. Now simplifying, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, then last term plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, we know answer is 0. That is a number and its opposite, their sum is always 0. So you understood, I think. Now one more question of the same type I am going to explain. See, 3y into, here multiplication sign writing or not writing, it will do. It is understood that we have to multiply. So 3y into 2y minus 7 minus 3 into y minus 4 minus 63 for y equal to minus 2. So here we have a long expression here with the variable y. Then we have to substitute y equal to minus 2. So first of all, we are going to simplify the given expression. So take the expression 3y into 2y minus 7 minus 3 into y minus 4 minus 63 equal to, here in two places we have to use distributive property and we have to simplify. So first 3y you have to multiply by 2y minus next bracket 3y you have to multiply by 7. Here this part. So first part is over. Now second part also same method we have to follow. So minus 3 into y. Then minus 3 into minus 4, or here also minus, here also minus. So 2 minus will become plus. If you want, you can write directly here plus or minus 3 into minus 4. Then minus 63 is the last term given in the question. So minus 63. Now we have to simplify. So 3 2s are 6. Y into y will become y square minus 3 7s are 21. Then y is the variable. Minus 3 into y will become 3y. Then 4 3s are 12. 2 minus will become plus 12. And minus 63 is the last term given in the question. Now again we can simplify. 6y square is only one term. So write 6y square minus 21y and 3y. These two are the like terms. So minus 21 minus 3 will become minus 24y. Here also we can simplify. 12 minus 63 equal to minus 51. Now simplification is over. Now we have to substitute for y equal to minus 2. So that is the second part of the answer. So for y equal to minus 2, we have to find the given value, given expression's value. So 6y square minus 24y minus 51 equal to, wherever y is there, we have to substitute the value minus 2. So it's equal to 6 into, then y square means minus 2 square, minus 24y means 24 into minus 2 minus 51. Now let us calculate. So 6 into minus 2 square will be 4 minus, here minus, here minus, so 2 minus will change to plus. 24 multiplied by 2 minus 51. Again simplifying, 6 4s are 24 plus 24 2s are 48 minus 51. 24 and 48 adding, you will get 72 minus 51 equal to 21. So the value of the given expression is 21 for y equal to minus 2. Now another type of question. See, simplify question like that. Add 5m into 3 minus m and 6m square minus 13m. So here first expression we have to simplify, second expression we have to add with that. So let us simplify the first one. 5m into 3 minus m. So first 5m we have to multiply with 3 minus, then 5m we have to multiply with m. So what will come? 3 5s are 15m minus 5m into m will become 5m square. Now with this, the second binomial we have to add. So let us write, I have written first one in bracket, that is 15m minus 5m square plus, then second polynomial also written in another bracket, 6m square minus 13m. Now how will you add? We have to collect the like terms together. So 15m, what is the like term of that? 13 and 13m, but before that minus sign is there. So I have written 15m minus 13m. These two are like terms. Now collect the other like term m square, but before that minus sign is there. So minus 5m square. Then plus 6m square. So plus 6m square. These two are together. These two are together. Now simplifying, 15 minus 13 equal to 2m. Then minus 5 plus 6 equal to plus 1m square. So 2m plus m square, that is equal to m square plus 2m. That is, if you stop here also it is right. I have written higher degree terms first in the descending order. So m square plus 2m. So this question is over. Now one more question, another type of subtraction. Subtract 3pq into p minus q from 2pq into p plus q. So first we have to simplify first expression, then we have to simplify the second expression. From the second answer, first part answer, we have to subtract. So let us simplify first part. 3pq into p minus q equal to, first 3pq we have to multiply with p. So 3pq into p in one bracket minus, now 3pq we have to multiply with the second term q. So 3pq into q. So 3pq into p will become 3p square q minus 3pq into q will become 3pq square. Similarly, we will simplify the second expression. So let us take 2pq into p plus q equal to, first 2pq into p plus then 2pq into q. Simplifying, 2pq into p will become 2p square q plus then 2pq into q, this expression will become 2pq square. Now we have to subtract. From which one? Which one? From the second answer, the first answer we have to simplify. So I have written in bracket 2p square q plus 2pq square minus the first answer 3p square q minus 3pq square. So first one I have put both, I have written in bracket, middle we have to subtract. So I have put subtraction sign. Instead of that, if you write this 3p square minus 3pq square first and this one right, then full answer will be wrong because a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So always we have to take care that from which part we have to subtract, that part we have to write in the first bracket minus the other part. Now subtracting, so 2p square q minus, collect the like terms together. Which is the like term of this from the second polynomial? First term 3p square q. So 2p square q minus 3p square q. Now plus, now pq square term. So these two are the like terms. So 2pq square, then minus and minus will change to plus. So plus 3pq square. Now these two are like terms and these two are also like terms. So this simplifying, 2 minus 3 will become minus 1. So it can be written as minus p square q. Then 2pq square and 3pq square. So 2 plus 3 will be 5. So it will become 5pq square. So the final answer is minus p square q plus 5pq square. Okay. So I have explained today how to multiply a monomial with a binomial and trinomial, and how to find the value of the given polynomial for the given value of the variable, and also how to simplify the long expression. I think you have understood well. As I repeat every day, daily work you have to copy in your classwork notebook. Daily you have to do it. There is no need of repeating it every day. Okay, we will wind up today's session. Thank you.